Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a cool RGB glitch effect in After Effects. Let's get started. Let's start by creating a new composition. I set mine to 16 by 9, 4K with 30 FPS, but you can choose whatever you want. I call it RGB Glitch. Then I open it and create a text layer inside. Type anything you want. Align the text in the middle of your composition using a line panel. Set the fill color of your text to black and the stroke to white. Once done, click on your text layer and press P to display the position property and add a keyframe. Press A to display the anchor point property and S to display the scale property. Then add a keyframe for both. Press U to display all of your keyframes. Click on the anchor tool and move the anchor to the left side of your text. Add a new keyframe for the scale property. Uncheck the Constrain Proportions box and set the X scale to 0%. Go to 1 second and add another keyframe, and move the anchor point to the extreme right of your text. This should create keyframes automatically. Then go to 1 second and 15 frames, add a scale keyframe, and set the X value to 0%. Let's select our keyframes and make the animation smoother. Right-click on your keyframes and select Keyframe Assistant, Easy Ease. Click on the Graph Editor button and select all your points. Adjust the speed curve to smooth out the movement. Next, let's create another text layer by copying and pasting the previous one. Copy and paste your text layer and change the text. Make sure your text is filled with white to enhance the effect. Move to 1 second and 15 frames on the timeline. Then shorten the layers by clicking Alt plus square brackets. Move your layers on the timeline to create a staggered effect without overlapping. Copy and paste these layers to fill the timeline. Go to Layer, New, Adjustment Layer. Search for Time Displacement in the Effects and Presets panel, and drag it onto your adjustment layer. Create a new composition and name it Map. Open it. Double-click on the rectangle tool to fill your composition with a shape layer. Alt plus click on the color or click on Fill and choose a gradient. Add a third color to the gradient by clicking on the gradient bar. Set the left color to black, the middle color to a high contrast, like red or white, and the right color to black. Adjust the size and direction of the gradient. Drag the map composition inside and hide it. Click on your adjustment layer and, in the time displacement effect, set the time displacement layer to Map. Adjust the map to center and refine the effect. Select all your layers and pre-compose them. Name this pre-comp Red. Search for Shift channels in the Effects and Presets panel and drag it onto your red layer. Turn off every color except red. Copy and paste this layer twice, naming them green and blue respectively. For the green layer, turn off every color except green. For the blue layer, turn off every color except blue. Shift the green composition by 1 frame and the blue composition by 2 frames. To get back the white color, set the blend mode of the green and blue layers to Add. Add a glow effect to each layer for extra flare. And that's it. Your RGB glitch effect is ready. You can find the raw files linked in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial.